Well, ladies and gentlemen, your boy is back. I promised I will never leave you small fishes alone. Somebody has to guide you and lead you. Now, I know what the market is doing. It's all-time highs at the top. It's zigzagging, and I'm pretty sure a lot of you are looking at the market and licking your lips, and some of you are crying because you're on the wrong side of the market. So, I don't do this for a living. I just want to clarify. I do this for fun. On this channel, the day trading channel. But on the main channel, I'm trading high stakes in 7-figure positions, just stocks, no leverage. Here, there's a big difference. We're trading with 1 to 200 leverage with this platform that I'm using. So, let's go to the daily. Okay, let's have a look. And I'm just going to grab my line. And I just want to show you something before we begin. This is usually what you do. Come here and look at what the market is doing. You can see it's an uptrend. It's been an uptrend since last year. So that tells you that it's buying pressure. So you don't try to go against the grays. Just stay with the buying pressure. That means look for support positions or support every time the market drops. How do you know where support is? Simple. Go to the hourly. If you're going to trade in the hour, get your line. Find the candle that looks like this. You know that. This candle. There's plenty here. Look. If you zoom in, you can see. See how they look? Let me put it here. Look how they look. This is how they look. You see? Okay. Even here, there's more. So there's more. There's everywhere. So we're looking at a candle that looks like a cross with a body. I'll actually leave a free course that I created for you guys in the description of this video explaining support and resistance. Maybe I'll even make it on YouTube. But I'll leave it here in the description. Have a look at how to access it. I'll explain how to access it below. I don't even know how you're going to access it, but I'll figure it out in the description. All right, so here we are. Another support position here on this candle, the green one. There's a potential. So I'm zooming in, and it looks like this is going to shed all the way down to here, 70. That gives me around 30 points potential to make money from. I'm going to put 10-point stop, and my limit order will be 10 points as well. So that's going to be a short position just because I want to bring it down here. And I'll be out. I promise you I'll be out. Okay, so 144, 180 secured within seconds, just like this. So that was great, guys. That was a great trade. But just because I looked at it here and I seen, okay, well, it's gonna go down here. I mean, I could still enter that trade and wait here, but like I said, because it's bullish, I don't want to go against the grays because it could reverse any minute. And especially when you zoom out, look at how the candle is. So yeah, we're up 200 just now. So I'm just gonna zoom. Well, bring it to 15 contracts, which is what I was trading with. And let's see. I think I can look. No, that's it for now. No need to short it. I'll just wait for the bottom. And then we'll buy the bottom. $15. So it's easy when the market is going up. And it's easy when it's going down, but it's difficult when it's sideways, which is what you see here. If you see it sideways, walk away. As a scalper, that's your worst nightmare. Unless you're able to exit quickly. If you're using a platform like this, you're able to take every candle. So now that it reversed, I'm going to short it back down from here, 123, 115. I think 123 is a good area. Right, short position active. So I'm just going to scalp it just because it's on a momentum is down and it hasn't hit that support that I'm waiting for. So that tells me there's more blood coming, you know. And don't just try to go long anywhere. You have to buy at support levels. And if we identify support, we're going to just short the in-between or wait, right? But I chose to short here in this case. And look what happens if you kind of don't take profit. You might see yourself red for a while. Or for a bit, not a while. But hey, it's so easy to make money using this platform especially. It's just, can you walk away from it? That's the only thing. So, see, we went against the grays, but at the same time, this here is more of a fake out. I believe if we go 15 minutes, I believe it will come down here. So what I could do is double down on this position, put 10 maybe. Okay, so I opened another sell. I got 10-point stop, so one of them is going to get triggered anyways. If not, we're in good hands. Beautiful. Let's see. Let me just load up 25 contracts here. And instead of sell, we'll just do a buy to close both positions. You see, $50. Okay, $126 secured. We're up, I think, 300 and something now. So that's how we scalp this market, guys. I mean, I could scalp all day long here, but let's wait for this buy position. Remember we said we're going to buy here. Let's wait for it. And it will come down here before bouncing back up, maybe even here. Because these wicks also act as support, right? Sometimes the candle, the green one, this one, you can use the body and its wick, both the top and the bottom, depends on the structure. Okay, so here it is. Let's see what's going on. Okay. Enjoy this video, guys, because next time I see you will probably be next month. So enjoy this one, this tutorial scalping session. But I'll leave you with material in the description, I promise you. And everything, all the questions you have will be in the description. I'm taking a break from my main channel, but over here, I decided to come out because I haven't posted this in a while. But yeah, I gotta go enjoy my money after that. And you'll know what I'm talking about if you follow me on the main channel. It's taking its time, but I can't force it. I have to wait. I have to relax. Right? Just because you want to make the trade, like part of trading is just being patient. And if you're not sure, always switch between time frames. So I guess I'll leave this here, guys. I don't think I'm going to continue trading. I think we made enough for today. Thank you guys for watching. I'll leave you with material in the description. Go have a look. I mean, you guys need to study hard. Make your money. But if you see yourself being a gambler, then you have to call yourself out. Because it's, especially this, right? It's so easy to keep trading and giving money back and making money, and then your head explodes. So you don't want to be doing that. All right, guys, that's me done. Thank you very much for watching. If you enjoyed this, smash that like button and subscribe to this channel. Bye.